Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my third update for my project and uses, and I have some very exciting news and progress to share with you all. So without any further ado, let's start. The first product I have for you is this pocket blush. This is a pink shade, and in the March month I have already completed my 10 uses on this, but still I wanted to keep this in my project and use it as much as I can. I have used this product 6 times in the April month, and I am thinking to roll this product out. I know I have not completed 10 uses in this month, but I have already met that goal in the March month. So that's why I am going to roll this out, and I am going to introduce a replacement for this blush. So if you want to know what I am going to introduce in place of this one, keep on watching. Let me show you the color of this blush. This is a very nice pink blush, and if you see, this is how it looks. It looks light on the camera right now, but if you apply it and blend it, it gives a very nice glow to your cheeks, and that's why I love it so much. And that's why from the day I got this blush, I was continuously using this blush. We have our first empty of this project, and I'm very happy. This Too Faced concealer, and I have used this 6 times in the past month, and now it is completely empty. So this is completely empty and there is nothing coming out of it. This is completely empty. I enjoyed this concealer very much, but don't worry, I have a replacement for this as well. When I was using this product, I was enjoying it very much, and now it's empty. I'm going to roll this out and replace it with another concealer. The next product I have is this Lakme's 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Nude Cushion. Let me show you the shade. This is how the shade looks. It is a very nice nude pinky shade, and I was able to meet my goal on this product as well. In the March month, I was at 5 uses on this product, and in the April, I have used it 6 times. So in total, I have used it 11 times in this project, and now I am moving it out of this project. The next product I have for you is this Lakme's lip oil in the shade Everyday Nude, and in the March month, I have used it 7 times, and in April month, I have used it 8 times. So total, I have used it 15 times in this project. That is well over 10 uses, so I am going to move this also out of this project. Let me show you the shade of this lip oil as well. This is how it looks. This is a very nice peachy kind of a nude shade, and you can use it as an everyday lip oil. It provides ample amount of hydration and is quite shiny as well. This product is now moving out of this project. I was using the combination of the Lakme lipstick with this Lakme's oil to make a very pretty everyday kind of a nude lip combo. This shade will suit to the people who have light to medium skin tone. If you have a tan or a deep skin tone, I don't think so this will suit you. Maybe you can use it with a lip liner, but this will suit to the people who are light to medium skin tones. The next product I have is this Tipsy's lip balm. This is in the shade Strawberry Cheesecake. And in the March month, I was able to complete my 8 uses on this product. And in the April month, I have used this 8 times again, making it a total of 16 uses. Let me show you the shade of this first. It is a very thick lip balm, and the color of this lip balm is very pretty pink color, and it is quite thick. If you apply this to your lips, it will keep your lips hydrated for a longer period of time. This I have noticed with this lip balm. This lip balm contains peptides and collagen as well, and gives you a juicy shiny lip. You can use it as a lip balm or lip gloss. Since it is a very shiny lip balm. The next product I have is this Plums Kajal. In the March month, I have used it 5 times, and in the April, I have used it only 2 times. So this product will remain in this project, and I am going to keep using this product. This is a sharpenable pencil, and this is how the product looks. And these days I am not very much into kajal look. Today I have done some experiment with this kajal look. Please let me know if you like this kajal look or not. The next product I have is this Color Bars blush, and in the past month I have only used it 4 times. So I am going to keep this blush into this project, keep on using it, and make some decent progress on this product as well. The next product I have is this Bella Vita Senorita perfume. This is the travel size and is 20 ml. And in the March month, I have used it 2 times only, and in the April month as well, I have used it 2 times. I was focusing on my Project Pan perfume, and I was able to finish that perfume as well, but in the process of that, this got neglected. And since now that is empty, I am going to focus on this product and finish my goal on this product as well. Talking about the fragrance, this is a very fresh, fruity flowery kind of a fragrance, and I will pop the notes of this perfume on the screen. And now guys, I have the Nude Nuance lipstick with me. This product I have lost in the March, but I have found out this recently, and in the previous update I have used it 8 times, and in this month I have gone ahead and used it 2 more times, and I have met my goal on this product as well, and this is going to be rolling out of this project. Let me show you the shade of this lipstick. This is a very nice nude lipstick, and this is how it looks. Even though these lipsticks are moving out of this project, but still I am going to continue use this lipstick here and there whenever I like. And now let's talk about the replacement of all the products that I have rolled out of this project. First, to replace my pocket blush, I am going to introduce this Maybelline's blush. This is in the shade Pink Mirage, and let me show you the shade. This is a coral blush, and in the summer month I thought this will look very nice. This blends very easily and does not look patchy. You can apply it over your foundation, under your foundation, with or without makeup as well. And this will give you a very nice color to your face. To replace my Lakme's 9 to 5 lipstick, I am going to introduce this Mars Mousse lipstick. This is in the shade 03 Queen, and this is a very famous color. Let me show you the swatch. This is how it looks. This is the Lakme's lipstick, and this is the Mars one. This lipstick is darker than the Lakme's lipstick and more brown in the shade. That has more pink kind of a shade, but this is more true brown kind of a shade. And I'm going to now use this lipstick in place of this one. To replace my Too Faced concealer, I am going to introduce this Insight concealer and track my uses on this product now. This suits me very well. The Too Faced concealer was more of a correcting shade for me, but this is very similar to my skin tone. And now I am going to use this concealer in place of Too Faced one. To replace my Tipsy Strawberry Cheesecake lip balm, I am going to introduce another lip balm from Tipsy again, but this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is a brand new product, and I'm very excited to use this product. Let me show you the shade of this one first. This is how Caramel Toffee looks. This shade is very similar to these shades which I was using in this project earlier. So I think I am not going to miss these products because now I have this one to work on. I am going to introduce a new product in this project, and that is going to be my Maybelline's Tattoo Liner. This is a sketch liner, and this is how the tip looks, and this is how the swatch. Again, I have a goal of 10 uses on this product as well. This is sitting in my collection, so I wanted to track uses on this product as well. So yeah, this is going to be my new product. Next, I am going to introduce some eyeshadows in this project. Since I generally don't use eyeshadows, so I thought if I add these into this product, I will make some use on this product as well. So this is currently the state of my eyeshadows. Just before shooting this video, I was collecting all my products, and this fell on the floor and cracked these two shades. I will mention the shades and all on the screen. I'm so sad that this is now broken, but what can be done now? I will try to fix these eyeshadows, and if not, I am going to use these as it is. With that, we are done with this video. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any suggestion for me, please feel free to comment on this video. And if you guys would like to see any other kind of content, that also you can mention in the comments, and I will try to make those kind of videos as well. That's it from my side, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.